वो कह दें वीडियो गेम की तरह ही है।
क्रिकेट ही वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं।
ना ही खेलो, बल्ले से गेंद को ही मारते रहो। Your cricketing idol growing up, Abhishek.
Cricket idol?
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh.
Sanju?
सचिन सर।
Wasim Jaffer.
Brian Lara and Yuvraj Singh.
Tell me about Wasim.
I just loved from day one. Whenever I saw him batting, I used to just try to copy him. The way his, the class which he had, the timing which he had, which really I was very attracted to it. So yeah.
First car or first bike?
First, I think scooty, I would say Activa. I used to go on that to the ground, so Activa.
वैगनर।
Wagoner?
Maruti 800, the कांच पीछे से खुलने वाली.
मैंने सर अभी तक नहीं लिया है।
पर मैंने देखा अभी कि आपको किसी ने एक दी है गाड़ी, तो है आपके पास फिलहाल?
है यार, होगी गाड़ी तो होगी ना
लाइसेंस
यार.
नहीं है तुम्हारे पास।
नहीं, वो कह रहा है कि लाइसेंस नहीं है। पर माइक उठा के बोल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं। Abhishek, first match that you ever watched in a stadium, do you remember? That you went to a stadium to watch?
Yes, I think it was IPL match, final, it was a final game of Kings 11 and RCB. Sorry, KKR and Kings 11, sorry. KKR won that game in Chinnaswamy.
Just as well you didn't say RCB and talk about the result. नहीं तो पहले मैच में बड़ी sledging होती है आपको. First game you saw at a stadium? In Delhi or back in Kerala?
I think it was an IPL game which I was a part of. I never went and saw a game actually.
Serious?
Yeah.
The first game you saw in a stadium was a game you were playing.
Yeah, I think so. I can't remember watching a game.
Mine was India versus Australia in Baroda. I think it was 2010ish. I was a ball boy.
Be careful when you say 2010ish because the guy next to you will say मैं शायद पहली बार स्टेडियम में कौन सा मैच देखा आपने?
सर 2017 में आईपीएल का केकेआर वर्सेस आरपीएस का मैच था ईडन गार्डन्स में, वो देखा था मैंने।
Growing up, your favorite movie or your favorite actor? Growing up, I mean you're still growing up, but
Favorite movie was Three Idiots for sure. I really enjoyed that movie. And actor, it's always getting changed. Depends on the movie I'm watching.
कोई
so-
बात नहीं, Three Idiots we'll go with.
Mine any movie of Rajnikant sir.
Any movie of?
Rajnikant sir.
My choice is odd, but I really loved Godzilla. So went to see Godzilla in Upper Deck. Actor name.
आप?
धुरंधर सर, धुरंधर।
Okay. Okay. The first player who played a prank on you in the IPL, do you remember?
I think first, I don't remember, but I still remember a lot of pranks from Ishan. He's a big prankster in SRH, so I can't name one, but his...
सच ईशान? नहीं, लग रहा है कुछ दाल में काला है यहाँ पे. Is he a prankster?
Yeah, big one.
You're a prankster yourself?
Little bit sometimes.
Come on, Hardik. Who played the first prank on you?
I think it was Ricky Ponting. He said that, I think this was a prank only in my eyes. I got excited because I won my first couple of man of the matches. And that point of time, I was on a 10 lakh contract. So he actually told me that this money goes to you. So actually, I calculated what I'm going to do with this money. And then later, I got to know that this actually gets, kind of divided between the groups. So yeah, that was a little bit prank.
Okay, he's still too young to ask him about who pranked him. So thank you very much. I hope you have a fantastic IPL, all of you, because it's a tournament that